This is why we invest. Because if you had $5,000 5 years ago, it'd be the same $5,000. The only difference, it would have a lot less spending power. But if you put $5,000 in one of the following assets below, look at what you could have made. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, VOO, Apple, Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Bitcoin, and gold. All of those have made great returns. The biggest obviously being Nvidia, followed by Bitcoin. But all of those investments would have made you money. So you can't just sit on a pile of money because it's going to continue to lose its value. You must invest in order to create generational wealth. Like and subscribe for more information like this. Hoodie Hustling.